Imagine waking up one day to see that one of the most hyped and anticipated crypto projects of the last few years is on the verge of collapse. A project that once promised to revolutionize the way we earn and interact with digital currency, a project that gained millions of users through a simple mobile mining concept, now teetering on the edge of capitulation. That's exactly where Pi Network finds itself today. After years of build-up and speculation, Pi's price is not just struggling, it's unraveling. And this June might just be the beginning of the end. What's causing this dramatic shift? It all comes down to a massive token unlock event that's poised to flood the market with more than 276 million Pi tokens, estimated to be worth around $176 million. That's not a small amount by any measure. In a fragile market with low liquidity and wavering confidence, the release of such a massive quantity of tokens could spell disaster. It could trigger a catastrophic wave of selling pressure that forces the price down to 50 cents, or worse, toward its all-time lows near 40 cents. For a coin that once traded above $1.60 just weeks ago, that kind of fall is devastating, both for price action and for community morale. The charts paint an equally grim picture. Pi is trading well below both its 30-day and 200-day moving averages, a classic sign of a strong downtrend. The brief rally toward $1.60 in May turned out to be a false breakout, quickly rejected, with the token falling right back under major resistance levels. There's no bullish divergence in sight. No breakout formations. No volume surges that might suggest accumulation. All indicators are pointing toward further downside. And with the token unlock looming in June, there's very little optimism among technical traders. When a project is already underperforming, and suddenly hundreds of millions of dollars worth of tokens are introduced to the supply, it creates the perfect storm for a price collapse. Sellers, whether early adopters, pre-sale participants, or frustrated holders, see a window to exit. Demand isn't strong enough to absorb that kind of volume. And as confidence fades, panic begins to spread. That's how capitulation happens, a flood of supply with no real demand to balance it. This unfolding situation has prompted many investors to shift their attention. They're no longer waiting for Pi Network to rebound. Instead, they're asking, what's the next big opportunity? Where can they move their capital to get ahead of the next trend? And right now, one project is capturing that attention at exactly the right moment, Mind of Pepe. Now, you might hear the name and assume it's just another meme coin, a gimmick riding on the popularity of Pepe the Frog in internet humor. But look closer, and you'll see something different. Mind of Pepe is fusing meme culture with artificial intelligence, two of the most explosive sectors in the current crypto landscape. But unlike other AI-themed coins that simply promise future utility, Mind of Pepe is delivering a live, functional AI agent that users can interact with right now. That makes it not just another speculative token, it's a working product in real time. This AI agent is already active and integrated on X, formerly Twitter, showcasing capabilities that most AI crypto projects are still only dreaming about. It's not just hype. It's real, accessible, and gaining traction. That distinction is important, especially in an industry where so many projects overpromise and underdeliver. Mind of Pepe has entered the space with substance, and the market is responding. The project recently completed a $12.5 million pre-sale, drawing in investors at a rapid pace. In fact, over $1 million was raised in just the final 4 days of the pre-sale, a sign of growing momentum and urgency among those who believe this token is about to take off. And it's not just small investors making moves. Whales are entering the fray too. One notable buy involved a single investor scooping up 10 million MINE tokens in a $40,000 transaction. That kind of big-ticket commitment doesn't happen unless there's real belief in the project's fundamentals and future upside. All of this is building up to the official launch of Mind of Pepe, set for June 3rd at 2 p.m. Universal Time Coordinated. The timing couldn't be better. As Pi Network faces the possibility of a major collapse, Mind of Pepe is launching with energy, enthusiasm, and a strong community backing it. It's entering the market just as AI crypto is exploding. Over $600 million in market cap has been added to the AI sector in just a single day, proving that investor demand for AI utility in crypto is real and growing fast. What's driving this demand isn't just novelty. It's utility. Investors are starting to differentiate between tokens that offer real use cases and those that are just speculative placeholders. Mind of Pepe stands out because it offers both meme appeal for virality and a functioning AI agent for real-world utility. That's a rare combination in this market. It has already been fully audited, a crucial detail in today's cautious investor environment, and the roadmap includes long-term staking rewards, continued AI integration, and expanding social functionality. That's why many in the space are starting to whisper comparisons to previous breakout projects like Virtual's Protocol, which returned over 260x to its early backers. While nothing in crypto is ever guaranteed, the key ingredients are all here: strong launch timing, early mover advantage, working tech, and a growing user base. We've come to the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel for latest update about crypto, blockchain, and Pi network. See you in my next video.